Meet the Kibu headphones, sustainable children's headphones that you build, repair, recycle. They come as a simple kit that children or fun-loving adults can build themselves. No screws, no glue, no fiddly wires, just simple parts that snap together. And while we design them to be robust, we know what children can be like, and sometimes things break. So rather than getting a whole new pair of headphones, you can get replacement parts so kids can start fixing the things they break. We manufacture the headphones at the Batchworks factory in Hackney, London, and the main material we use is recycled bioplastic that comes from plants like corn. So next time you're eating sweet corn or popcorn, you can think, this could have been children's headphones. The headphones are perfect for any Yoto, Tony box, that sort of device, and they come with our Kibu safety engine, which means that no matter what the device is plugged into, the headphone's volume is limited to a safe level. And the headphone's also daisy chained. So imagine I plug these pair of headphones into my Yoto or Tony box, and I only have one, but another child also wants to listen. I can then plug another pair of headphones into this pair of headphones, so like this. And now, both pair of headphones are listening to the device together. In fact, we did a workshop recently where we had about 15 children, all daisy-chained, connected to one device, trying to guess the farmhouse animal or listening to whatever K-pop Demon Hunter song they wanted to listen to. And it works really well. Thanks to the hundreds of families who've already bought headphones from us. We really appreciate your orders. We cannot do this without you. We're working as hard as we can to enable a future where children build, repair, recycle.